Today we have the 2023 Bailey Adamo 75 4DL. This vehicle has done just over 3,000 miles. It has a manual transmission and a diesel fuel type. As we step inside, we can get a good view of our lounge area with our foldable electric table. Above is our first overcab bed. And just behind me, we have our kitchen. This is complete with our sink, hob, oven and grill, and fridge. Next up is our bathroom, where we have our shower, sink, and toilet to our left. Next up is our second overcab bed. So we'll switch it to the rear. As we'll be able to see from the pictures, we have our final double bed below, making this motorhome 6 berth and 4 belts.